Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating Mod's Pizza or Mod Pizza.
Yes.
Why are we eating Mod Pizza today, my love?
Because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. She acts that every week. It's the
Yep,
same thing.
that's right.
Every week is a Friday, no?
Every week is a Friday. There's a
Okay.
Friday four times a month.
4 times a month. Sometimes probably 5.
Yeah.
But family, listen right now. This is how the pizza look. We're going to get into it right now because, listen, we ain't got no time to play around. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. There we go. That's mine right there. Could y'all see? Okay, there you go. I bring it closer. They could see it. Okay, let me, yes. Oh, I know. I'm going to tell you. Hold on. Let me get everything right. Let me get first aid napkin first because y'all want, y'all tell me. So what's on it, Richie? Because you know Richie don't eat pork. So I got chicken, beef, chicken, right? Beef and chicken, right? Yeah, and spicy beef, chicken, regular chicken, and a next beef with green pepper, jalapeno, and red tomatoes.
I know you had tomatoes in here.
I was thinking to get a veggie one, but I said, damn, there's too much meat right here to get veggie.
That's true. So on my pizza, I'm gonna give you guys a piece.
Good job.
Here you guys go.
Good job.
Hope you enjoy it. It's pork, pepperoni, ham, salami, Canadian ham, all kind of stuff. Bacon. I have olives, black olives, and jalapeno on one side. Salt and pepper and oregano.
Probably pork a little bit.
Bussin'.
It's busting.
Let me tell you something. You guys know I love my thin crust. But today, I feel like eating some bread.
I ate my birthday though. I got your birthday more than my meat. I told them I don't want it too crispy. It's good.
It's good, right?
You want it crispy?
Is yours crispy? Yeah.
Perfect.
She made it good. Sometimes they do leave it in there for too long.
Yep. This is good.
That's how you want it to look.
Yep.
You don't want it to be all black.
Black man, yo. No, it's a burn. This place is a come up.
Like we said, it's all you can eat or unlimited toppings.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Unlimited toppings. Decent price. If you have it, we'll try it. Yes. You can get veggie, I know that, I said it already. Their ranch is nice and soft.
Yeah. I can't believe I love ranch now. It's crazy. How is it that... Let me know in the comment section. Because I know I'm not the only one.
What?
Is there something that you used to not like and now you love it?
That's a good question. I did.
For me, it was blue cheese, ranch, olives.
Really?
Yep. I did not like olives. Now I love olives. There's something else and I can't remember. Yep.
Oh, family. You didn't like a lot. But now you turn it up.
I love olives.
Oh yeah, family, on my base, I didn't get the tomato sauce. I got barbecue sauce.
Do you think they gave you enough?
Yeah, I just tasted. So I got barbecue sauce on my base. I didn't get the tomato paste. Yeah, I know, I heard you. Yeah, that's different. There's something different. Okay, good.
It's good.
You know, I love the sweet stuff. What y'all eating today? Today's Friday. What y'all got going on today? How you doing? Good? Pork good, nice one.
So good.
I think the veggie one would taste so good.
Yeah.
Because I'm tasting the vegetables right now.
Would you get all of the vegetable? Like every single one of them? Even
Oh.
what's it called? What is it called? I forgot. Artichokes. You know, we've never had artichokes before.
No, I'm not.
But it's good.
No, I don't want them. Just busting, fam. Yeah. You ask him what the weekend gonna be like, cause I know you about to ask him.
My business. So, what's your weekend gonna be like?
I knew it was coming. I know they was laughing. They waiting.
Any plans?
Well, I eat weird, huh? All going to the same place. That's all we need to know. All go to the same place. People say, why you put all these stuff on yourself? Why you did that? Not your family member. I'm just saying. People just say that. But don't everything go to the same place? Right, family? Right or wrong?
It's true.
I know we go to a different place.
Me? On the weekend?
What's your weekend looking like?
I'm gonna get some soup tomorrow. When I feel for soup, I make soup. You guys know I love soup.
Superman. Wow.
So for you, honey, is there anything that you never used to like and now you like?
Right. Food-wise, food?
Yeah.
Not really, cause if my money buy it and I don't like it, I'm still gonna eat it. But growing up, I don't think I had something I didn't like.
What about like vegetable wise?
Let me tell you, I'm thinking.
Nothing?
I'm thinking.
Probably not.
No, I don't have anything. Cause if I don't see, if it don't look good, I'm not gonna eat it. So I won't know if I like it or not. But no, I don't know. I eat basically everything. I'm willing to try stuff. First day is not like that. So I see something, I'll try it. I don't like it, I'm not gonna eat it. And I don't know how. I don't think I'm allergic to nothing either.
I don't think so.
You don't think so, right?
You'd have been figured it out.
Yeah, family. I don't think I'm allergic to stuff. How would you know if you're allergic to stuff?
Oh, you would know.
I don't want to go check out then and I can't eat the stuff I usually eat. You know, that's why I don't go. You know what I'm saying?
It don't work like that.
Oh, so what?
If you're allergic to something, you will break out in a rash. Your tongue will swell up. These are just different examples. Your face might swell up. Your lip might swell up. You know what I mean? And sometimes your throat will swell up. Trust me, if you're allergic to something, you'd have known.
So yeah, I'm not allergic.
No.
Since you know me. Nothing.
Since you know, yeah.
Good. I don't want to be allergic because trust me, I can't.
Have you been stung by a bee before?
Bees, wasps.
See? You're not allergic.
Not allergic. Everything.
Some people, they get stung by a bee, they can die.
Oh, wow.
Some people, they eat peanuts, they can die. Yeah.
Oh, wow. So they would know, they know that because they try it and then something happened. Probably. I don't know, so I'm telling y'all.
But I'm not allergic either. I'm not trying something, but for me, if I go to a restaurant and the restaurant looks suspect, me not yan there. Me not yan that.
I'd have to be the SK go and try it. But that's one thing. I'm not wasting my money.
We should try it.
I buy it and I don't like it. I'm sure gonna eat it. Yes, I am. But I know, yes. Yep. I will eat it. What? I'm not gonna go back. Because I'm not gonna waste my money. Okay? I eat it and complain about it later. First day? Nah, she getting her money back.
Okay, alright.
Family, sometimes I be so scared, yo.
What you afraid for?
When you go out, yo, I be like, please like the food, please. First, I gotta make sure I say, yo, I hope she like it first, because if she don't like it and something is wrong with it, I guarantee she's getting her money back.
I sure am.
For them games. But me, family, I'll eat it. I'll tear it up. You know what I'm saying?
I remember we went to the fair in our area. And I'm not going on any rides, right? I'm past that age now. I just, rides, I'll go on one or two, but no. So, Richard and I was walking around. Richie's playing the games then.
I go to the fair for the games.
Yeah, for the games. And I said, you know what? I feel like eating an ice cream cone. So, I go. I eat the ice cream cone. I buy it. And I start eating it. And I'm like, this not taste right. Family, I kid you no lie, it felt like I was eating ice with vanilla. That was not ice cream. And I went to her and I said, this is not ice cream, this is not good. She said, yeah, it's ice cream. I said, okay.
She did give you ice cream. She gave you the ice and then the cream on top of it.
Right. I said, okay, well, I don't like it. And she's like, okay. And she gave me my money back.
Yep.
Me not yam that.
First don't play when it comes to our thing. She don't play. She's serious.
I'm paying my money.
You know what I mean? She's serious. She don't like it, she don't like it. Yeah, this don't taste right.
It's the worst feeling to buy something and it doesn't taste good. Now, if you've never had something before and you're trying it out, you know there's a 50-50 chance that it may not taste good, right? But if you're buying something like a pizza, I mean, you're expecting, if they're in business, for it to at least taste good, right? And then when it doesn't taste good, I'm like, oh no, you're not gonna keep my money.
That barbecue sauce hitting on right. Y'all do the same thing? Yes, I know y'all ladies talk up. The guys them will keep quiet and eat it, but the lady them will talk. I let y'all know, like, yo, we ain't having that. You know what I'm saying?
You want to enjoy your food.
I will, but now I'll go back.
But no, you're not going to enjoy it. If it doesn't taste good, you're just going to be eating it just to eat it.
Yeah. Come my money. Come my money.
So, how come if you don't like it, how come you don't return it and get your money and then buy something else that you like? Too much work.
Too much work. Family, me, I don't like returning stuff like that if I buy something. It all depends.
That is true.
It all depends. She could tell you, it all depends on what I buy. Because if it's something I buy that I know that's really, really expensive and I really want it back, I'm going to return it. But if I buy some stuff, you know, and I don't like it, I'm like, I ain't going back. I ain't going to return nothing like that. But yo.
No. What he does is he give me the receipt and the item and asks me to return it because he too embarrassed to return it.
I'll be ashamed.
Man.
I'll be ashamed to go there like, damn, this guy come back again returning stuff. And he just bought it. But it all depends. If I buy a sneakers now, or shoes, or something it costs a lot of money, I'm going back to the store. I don't care.
Okay. So if you buy a sneaker at $50, right? You wear it for a day and start falling apart. Will you return it?
Oh, of course, definitely I'm returning it. Like, you know that happened to me already. I'm returning that, but it's falling apart. But like, say, I wear it and I don't like it.
May I bring that back? May I bring that fuck back?
No, that's what I'm talking about.
If I buy it and I wear it and I realize, okay, what if you buy it and it's hurting your foot? Like, it's not comfortable.
I return it. But remember, they say sometimes you can't return because once you wear it and the bottom gets messed up.
I don't care. Let me tell you something. I don't care what the return policy says. I'm getting my money back.
She does. She does, family.
I don't care what it says. I'm gonna find some kind of loophole.
Yeah, she does.
Okay?
She does, family. Do y'all do that same thing? Are you afraid? And I said, ladies are not afraid, but just the typical guys, them. It all depends. I'm telling you, but yo, if I know I spend a big decent money for it, man, it's going back.
I don't care if it's $5. All my $5.
Back.
Okay, I'm very frugal.
First lady's like a hoarder of receipts. She don't play with her receipts. She have receipt on days.
Yep, I do.
Full?
Yeah.
Damn, you see? If you never put all that pork in, that could have been.
This is mine for later. It's still early.
You see, family, I told her when she was buying things, do not put all that pork because I'm not going to be able to get it and then she's not going to get it off and look.
You should know by now. You should know by now that I don't listen to you. When it comes to my pork.
Next time when you go there and buy, you're not buying no pork. I'm telling you right now.
Because I'm afraid of you.
Yeah, you better buy something that I can eat some of it because I know you ain't going to eat it all.
Yeah.
Family, I could have brushed them 2 slices right there, no? Trust me, family, but it's all good.
I'm going to eat them later.
All right, family. Where's they? Listen.
And you have your crust.
This one. I don't want to crust.
Look at all the crust you lost. You didn't eat. That's why you're not hungry. You're not full.
I don't want to crust my head. I bring it back.
You bring it back for real. Tell me crust fuck up.
Family, this is going to be, it's not long, but I'm just going to just listen to this one, okay? I want you to listen. Yes, if you walk away, come back right now because the word of wisdom is coming right now, okay? I'll wait. I'll give you a second. All right, good. Let's go. Ready, first lady? Family, be more concerned with your character than your reputation because your character is what you really are while your reputation is merely what others think of you.
That is true.
Yeah, that was too long or you want to hear it again?
That is very correct.
I came back now? Okay. Be more concerned with your character than your reputation because your character is what you really are while your reputation is merely what others think of you.
I like that.
All right. Word of wisdom. We appreciate all of y'all for rocking with us. You know what time it is already, you know. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun, but don't turn up too much. You know, the corona going around. Be safe. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate the love. Appreciate y'all, you know what I mean, hitting us up, you know what I mean, asking us questions. We still got some more questions coming, but
we do. We didn't forget.
Yeah, we didn't forget, so we got those coming, okay? So, if you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. Excuse me. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there. And we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang.
Bye.